Living near water means you have to know how to stay safe. And in Cleveland, two seniors at Davis Aerospace and Maritime High School are going that extra mile to make sure the visitors of the North Coast Harbor can enjoy Lake Erie and stay safe. Our NewsDepth A+ goes to Lovett and Quinton Oliver, seniors at Davis A&M High School, who updated and repaired long-neglected safety stations at North Coast Harbor. The safety stations had tangled ropes. We were worried that people wouldn't be able to quickly act if there was an emergency, the boys shared. Andre and Quinton identified a safety concern, developed a plan, and put that plan into action, said Julie Kent, one of their advisors from the Phastar Corporation. The project was a collaboration between students at Davis A&M, the Phastar Corporation, North Coast Harbor, and the Downtown Cleveland Alliance. The students installed new safety signs, lines, and life buoy rings. The students also numbered each station to help first responders in the event of an emergency. Andre and Quinton also helped to install instructional signs at each station that would help people quickly learn how to use the equipment. The replacement and upgrade of the existing life buoy ring stations and nearly doubling the total number of stations will serve to enhance the safety of our popular waterfront park, says Julie. We are proud that our students continue to look for ways to improve our community. Great job, Andre and Quinton. We're proud to award you both this week's NewsDepth A+ for keeping the North Coast Harbor safe.